Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up and marketing our program using an SMS campaign. Let's get started. First, identify your target audience for our program. This could include accountants, bookkeepers, financial advisors, and other professionals in the finance industry. Segment your audience based on profession, location, and level of expertise to tailor your SMS messages effectively. Ensure that you have permission to send SMS messages to your target audience. This could involve obtaining opt-ins through a sign-up form on your website or through other means of consent. Always respect privacy laws and regulations. Keep your SMS message concise and to the point. Include key information about our program and its benefits. Personalize the message where possible to increase engagement and provide a clear call to action, such as visiting a link to learn more or signing up for the program. Select a reputable SMS marketing platform that allows you to send bulk messages to your target audience. Popular options include Twilio, Easy Texting, and ClickSend. Sign up for an account with your chosen platform and follow their instructions to set up your SMS campaign. Log into your SMS marketing platform and navigate to the campaign creation section. Compose your SMS message, ensuring it adheres to character limits and includes all necessary information about our program. Upload or input your list of recipients, making sure to include relevant contact details and any additional segmentation data. Choose the date and time to send your SMS campaign. Consider factors such as the time zone of your recipients and optimal times for engagement. Schedule multiple messages if necessary, spaced out over time to avoid overwhelming recipients with too many messages at once. Monitor the performance of your SMS campaign in real time through your SMS marketing platform's dashboard. Track metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to gauge the effectiveness of your campaign. Follow up with recipients who have engaged with your SMS messages by providing additional information or answering any questions they may have about our program. Continue to nurture leads and encourage them to take action by signing up for the program or sharing the opportunity with their networks. Analyze the data from your SMS campaign to identify areas for improvement. Test different messaging, timing, and audience segmentation strategies to optimize your campaign for better results. By following these steps, you can effectively set up and market our program using an SMS campaign. Reach potential affiliates directly on their mobile devices with targeted messages about the program's benefits and opportunities. Thank you for watching.